Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to have header and page number. So if you want to create header, you can double click in the top of document page. You can double click in here and it will be show for the header. You can insert text in this header, or the other option you also can insert picture by clicking at this option picture and insert your picture. Like I will example insert this picture, click insert. You can resize the picture, and if you want to set this picture into center point, you can go to home and then click these icons to move into center point. Okay, to make space, you can press enter to be create the space. And if we create new page, it will be show again for the header. To create for the page number, you can double click again in this header, and then you can go to page number tools. You can insert in the top of page for the page number, or you can set in the bottom of page. I will use this option and it will create the page number in this page. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to have header and page number. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.